Would you give this a wing for me?
You want a wing?
Yeah, I don't know which way we're going.
Have you tried flying it before?
Not in the last 30 years.
So, I'm just going to
Yeah.
I'm not going to throw it hard.
No, we'll see how it goes. Ready?
Yeah. There it goes. Stay with it, mate.
This is a new transmitter as well, so all new today.
Have you put any rates in?
No.
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 So it's on full belt?
Yeah.
And it's twitchy?
Well,
you're doing all right.
Well, slow your throttle down a little.
All right.
That's it. Slow the throttle down a little bit and it'll dive up a bit slower. And it won't crunch into the ground as fast. When you do like it.
Okay, so this is putting it into gyro mode. And that does seem to be more stable. If I now put it into stabilized mode, yeah, so I have to say that it's probably working. That's limited the dive rate and the turn. With the stabilizer on, it's a much easier plane to control. I'll put it back into just gyro mode there. Back into stabilized. Yep. So the Byme-D is functioning.
Well, you've sorted it.
Well, I'm cheating. I'm also trying it.
Well, not bad for 30 years old, is it?
It has a gyro in it, which I've just enabled. So.
Oh, right.
Whoa! That was me colliding with Tom. I'm afraid so. Sorry, Tom. Well, a sad end to a good first outing.